Deep within the world's most vibrant jungles, a force of nature is on the move. This isn't just a group of insects. It's a superorganism, a single, unified entity driven by an unstoppable will. We're talking about army ants, and their colony can contain over 1 million individuals, all marching together as one. They don't build permanent nests. Instead, their entire existence is a relentless hunt, a massive mobile city of predators that consumes everything in its path. Every day, they advance a dark, living river flowing across the forest floor, relentlessly searching for their next meal. Their coordination is a marvel of the natural world, a testament to what can be achieved through collective effort. But even for such a formidable force, the jungle presents immense challenges. Suddenly, the march grinds to a halt. The ground simply disappears. A chasm may be just a few feet wide to us, but to an ant, it's a vast, impassable canyon. For any other creature, this would be the end of the line, a signal to turn back. The colony's momentum is broken, and the thousands of ants at the front pile up against the edge, a wave of confusion rippling through the ranks. The very survival of the colony hangs in the balance. How do they transport their queen, their vulnerable larvae, and the next generation across this void? The clock is ticking, and the solution they come up with is nothing short of breathtaking. It's a moment that defies our understanding of individual intelligence and highlights the power of the collective. Watch closely. At the edge of the abyss, the pioneer ants don't retreat. Instead, they begin to do something extraordinary. One ant stretches its body out into the open air, its back legs clinging desperately to the edge. Another ant crawls over it, grabs onto its front legs, and stretches out even further. And then another and another. They are weaving themselves together, linking leg to leg, antenna to antenna, creating a living chain that reaches out into the nothingness. This isn't chaos. It's intricate, instinctual engineering. Each ant becomes a single, vital component, a brick, a cable, a piece of a much grander structure. More ants join the effort, reinforcing the anchor points, adding their bodies to the chain, making it thicker, stronger, and more stable with every new volunteer. In a matter of minutes, the impossible has happened. A bridge now spans the chasm, a bridge made entirely of living ants. It sways slightly in the breeze, a testament to both its flexibility and its strength. This isn't just a simple line. It's a complex, multi-layered structure, strong enough to support thousands of times its own weight. Now, the signal is given, and the rest of the colony begins to move. The Great Migration continues. Thousands upon thousands of worker ants pour across the living bridge, their tiny feet scurrying over the backs of their dedicated brethren. They form an orderly, efficient traffic flow, a highway of life suspended over a deadly drop. The most precious cargo is carefully transported, the colony's future. Nurse ants carry the tiny white larvae, and deep within the protected procession, the single vital queen is ushered safely to the other side. Once the last ant, the last larva, and the queen have safely made it across, the story isn't over. The bridge itself begins to move. The ants on the far side start to unlink and scramble onto the solid ground. The disassembly is just as organized as the construction. From the far end to the near end, the bridge dissolves, ant by ant, until the last individual pulls itself back onto the forest floor. No one is left behind. The gap has been conquered. The colony reforms its ranks, and without a moment's hesitation, the Great March continues. They have overcome an obstacle that would have doomed any individual, proving that together there is almost nothing they can't achieve. This incredible display of teamwork and self-sacrifice is a powerful reminder of what is possible when a community works as one. Thanks for watching, and if you found this as amazing as I did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more wonders from the natural world.